Yeah, anpa dia disrespecting Judas. Kaya na ngayon hip hop kay biyon dong mag-gay full down tawa ni guwak nga. Iti way against nga money. And hip hop ka beef is part of the culture. The vizuji biyon gama mabe. Ana ya no bero no biyon makaw no dong react no dong goy we ni ma chel ke video. Ako nyo bera ko ren ko chime pe. Da ya la mera ya.
Chakaya de gulo.
Two raps ge kara dok pap. Dakta will dakta de megan di two raps mina won microphone megan no chaka matiri etiri na choy lyrics ni series stories pa kele movie back those days na when hip hop obino wa chawa na ba go last year and
maka magen gi kom
yeah tata music on a brand na mega a brand kom hip hop e on ti hip hop kana hip hop ye duong
so you're trying like those
you know my can kirwa you dilu ngero kwara ngero
Digital in Memalu pour Tommy Bay TV and wati program ma wa bara bone celebrity vibes kama wa kelo celeb mamigi maaki bulo mapat kumala mi Uganda and countrywide anti us MG as always yatini yom tutwal nek atiko mera chill one of the greatest rapper in northern Uganda I can say Uganda one and only
SNOB DEE, the rap righteousness.
Mr. Ayoli we ora.
Mangala juk mangala.
Nano wa Kampala.
Nino doko chabir doko due doko maka gubi do doko la cho. No pekon yang roti mi kija pe maro bin makla gori bo mo kisa. Atama ni wa woro ka chel ba chero kuja wonda ko tama ma radio wa ko na la ko kirao.
Chini la ko kira daja bro.
Kira tian ma chan nei bat ka da ke ken ma game mani ngero.
So
Mark Tyson ya wa en ke tiken dano kiredi.
Ko chalo dano ma dun. Talo no mo person.
E kare chere ring dong. De kilo mani makele sori.
Chani in ke ma ko mai kuma no e waro kire chani mone make wai kit kwachi ne. Mone ma ka na.
Yeah.
No waro kama leng.
Yes.
So keta woje kere bo biberu watiki SNOB DEE the rap righteousness chano mamegwa mitami be yuma wa barbani celebrity vibes kono kanyin pengo SNOB DEE I think it take pa mo kumango because these guys has been trending ever since I can say 2023 mo biana kere SNOB
yes
logo biru kakarma dung tutwalma a lot of people that have been saying ni SNOB DEE mono ikarmi awards man in Juma Awards I can say Northern Uganda Music Awards ma yenike crowning in the best Northern rapper of the year
so, hip hop artist
hip hop artist my knowing a lot of rappers go bergawani you doesn't deserve that hip hop that accolade so iruen nyugera karma dong yolegi wa Kampala gi go beru katim shows mate ko talpe no karmi interacting kiri so tin ola no kare foi bene winyu luona me bieno aminde ke gam lo ko in machalo in do you think you deserve that accolade
yeah me mo kwa mera fo tami be TV kiro mera fo in MG me hosting an mera fo fans ma mega since last year ma no award ma no accolade me hip hop artist foot power no car me biro
one camera
dan so amera for fans wo bir ge loge mo ma knock but ya yum ni tien ema julo an abino kan ya da award pe ya romo wachi ne per ker ni deserving but dana ye gumo kay na kero ki pai chat en me yam wen dana ye gumo chido we an bena ki crowning am chalo the best lyricist the best hip hop artist of the year 2025 yes so in your polkar competition my can wanga korber tie
pe car mate clean at least someone is
geno my can kirwa you dilu ngero kwara ngere timo kero ngere petit timo ngere so ko ene beru tie ngat ma polkara kilo ena yingo beru ka complaining wa gawen gine be pobo gikki kuma be pobo gik koni ma kira dak an pa lo awori mara eni nyo kira lo fudak nga
the same things because a lot di kai winyu lok makiber ka wahane ni in pay where hip hop songs mo can because anamit intini clearing yamu why you deserve that accolade because anangeni yene ki wani ping not aware hip hop but gen gete why in pay where hip hop mo can you better where kiloni ata music
tata music on a brand na mega a brand kom hip hop only to hip hop. We can hip hop ye duong.
So you're trying like those guys that
yes.
Yeah, they're mistaken.
Yeah, yes. Cause hip hop, gen tamani hip hop to boom bap again. Yeah, boom bap type money me 90s ja kur me to pack go any.
But to pack
and what the hip hop can tema you go in the best hip hop you sing you don't rap you just sing like na no kuri chalu we pagana panyer any this guy kiloni Roddy Rich kai we pa chomu chow down below gi
no singing hip hop beats.
Yes, no pobo rapping but it's also hip hop and in hip hop and style magian gawale pedi hip hop but hip hop ye duong and bene no ma ki join ki team pegi min me watch ni
SNOB DEE deserving
gini pian gini pegi kerni kono ni onyo be pe kerni hip hop song kadong complain gidi ka kenyo kerni hip hop artist
ma unity hip hop artist bene magian gingeo keje mogo giti mistake ke kwan kon we di hip hop mama mangi cha ngene kede wa ngene this guy is a hip hop guy.
No, and we chao and kikuri magian wajuni boom bap chani. Go we madon the do pa yagi. Kay win the do ya la mera ya.
Chakaya de gulo.
Two raps gi kara dok pap. Dak kay win dak da de megan di two raps. Me the one microphone megan chakay matiri etirina choy lyrics in series stories pa kelo movie. Back those days when hip hop. Obion wa chawa na ba go last year. And
again complaining in pay go hip hop.
Yes. Kekana ayi yo ni ati ne in northern Uganda can do and la type hip hop money magian why pe wa kelo. Hip hop originated from US.
Black Americans.
Yes, makiri yiri we janga ipe bi jati mu show kono. Pian via accents be pay be lawyer woman.
Pian so mi tayro chakaki kono ke kono.
Mi building foundation mi batak gang. We ka janga working pay ni nong bere pian dar wa ge mar we pa bi chale ko ngai ti we la ge le mo ma met to ngai ti mo ma met to
what they want to understand and feel the vibes
giving back to the community gen ma yank mi ni wa yes tinana so lokene a pe ge pa ma ye ko furu be met gere ni style ni repeti gere a ngi nga ma ti mo ne dok gen wa ke mi na gine ona ni jone ne pe gilu mi na yes.
So anano interview mo ini na dera ngwen mo karangi ma Judas rap knowledge akba ma and he claimed to be the best in Uganda ma wajoni a lot of people who go taking step ma migi machalo in how comparing even team sense money gutiaro wuntiaro bore cho wajoni bro I'm going to most especially a bit waja alore ko ma yana waja buri ni SNOB DEE biyon boro wani jall abe attacking kami mono no be waro distract gini mono bu yela wobe ni rappers umere gubet kumen peke chera attacking and tell Judas rap knowledge ma chera neno comments video ni mogo ma a lot of people too you need to disrespecting Judas pay war Judas kono so ini bigama yeni ngo
an party disrespecting Judas ke kana ngewi hip hop kay biyon dog magge ful data wani gwa nga iti way against me money and hip hop ka beef is part of the culture get that beef berutie and kay di way ma chak way football no nyinga moy way na nyati beef nga money be palu
bat lo kada me gura yenu guru kom ge fol
maro ngi twalo wa ga ngaro money no way nan tar nga ana ye di way ko man but an party disrespecting Judas walo wani kwere and I remember
so log ma wajane loga da ma interview no waje loga da
winkong ana waje interview ma mega wa last year ma beru ka log waji bam gina ana kelo ni we po an beru wale mo akelo gine wa wan we ngo
hip hop ucho
and we po wale mo since the mix to Judas ke dia pushing jomo kene ne goti kwe and yet antika wo ma duata tin yango so e on the gamal penyi ma yin penyi kom chon so buizane Joma awuveneni nentalo bunano ni nentalo dia disrespecting gen tina nentalo an pati ki war kumge gen pego niang
ngoma initi awacho neni
we go ter chalo gen material amaro Davizu G shout out to Davizu no
big up Davizu
Davizu bioma be Davizu no chao niang game pen ini ngarapon yang game ero mata mani nyere ene chao bioma tia dizing wan ko ti wai ngo wan ko wa ko ngo ka ngapon yang game kitimu kir eoni du wok kom ngamo ni itwer ngo bene.
Twere uplifting to
Well,
another
the
level.
visu jiu bino gama mabe. Ane ano biro no bino makono dong react no dong go we ni ma chel ke video. Ako nyo bera ko ren ko chime pe. So
kasi yela
nyo da kana cho gena manak but
maybe to ma wi ma
yeah,
te
yeah.
to ngel
Ano nyang game mabe da. So ano tama wen ti kumano. Kita yin ni Judas waje. Yeah, ano Judas lo da.
okay
Yes.
so SNOB DEE nano iwar we manyen kono da peki tamani inda katika dissing jomo kana cause we na winyu nye wani rest in peace my rivals
Yeah,
kono na kwani nyeri katika disrespecting our king or our leader.
no, it's not like that. She don't hip hop me ki wen cause en akelo element no kene ki kom hip hop. Chane ti uchung pe yar kene. En ni akelo
This is another element. Magen gimera.
Time magen gimera. Now en ni ponki beef. Kenan way gena pato pak gi. Kerti where you broke why ye gwa. Wa en Judas ni en ba wa en ye gwa. Now en pa rat yan lo ni ti disrespecting her mo. Ina wa. Ite nyolo in gwa it wire ma it wire go time ma duwa ta ti nana wa. Now it flexible rombe timo en time man kita mani in pe twa ti maneni ti nana.
Wow.
So ene pele ati ya. Taka do in no wa guru kumi area mo.
Indi chake kenyo do.
Ro gura eba. Ya do ti we akelo mere hip hop and freestyle akelo me boom bap time man magan wa ni ko ngwan. Yes.
So iromo briefing one about the rest in peace rival. Pian normal no tikuya no petika nya ngoma wante wacha nini.
Rivals Roma ke competitors Rom ki joma ti fila chel ma ti game chel woni kwet gi Rom be lu mo ni I can say like that. So ni work ke type we kreni freestyle akero ni rest in peace rival awai lu mo na mi do ngi ni gen dong ando akwala ngwa gen go yue don kong
Gen non kongu yue ku don kong kere kuma no kong.
I can simplify like that.
Wow, that is great. Kiri when you kere we manyan ti anano kata ba ki visualizer. That is so amazing. Makawa taking that step. Northern Uganda music industry will never step down anymore.
Yes.
So SNOB DEE,
Yeah.
intermiti no miara dong mary ben maker rival makan keje in attacking wa rival mighty wa Kampala because right now I Roman young imp mamiki is not all about Northern Uganda. Yes.
Yes.
Can be even East Africa. East
Yeah.
Africa, yeah.
Yeah. Kita wechi ni chaka mo more building
Wow.
foundation first ki gang. Then yile mo more chero pian kay ma ki kan teri ti yege ki kuja no oli patak pian ki kay no support.
Ron bi chiele me tere ke peng
Yeah.
ne por.
So ka foundation ti matak kan ki kuja bere ron cher matak da. So
Wow.
ginene bi no more with time. Yes.
Wow, that is great. Ngomanyan, ta music.
Yeah, fans when boy the freestyle manyan, the rest in peace rivals, who might take following. Chichake what it bola tata music. Kanan yana roman tap. What do you tell me back on? Tune young burner for matarada.
Wow, yen me beri kanano Tami Bay TV waberu ki SNOB DEE, the rap righteousness, one of the baddest. Actually, award winner 2024, 2025. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
2025, 2026.
Cherry YouTube channel mamega cherry then latest music video and new audio manyeni. Subscribing, let's support talent. And a bit us MG as always. Peace and love.